So we'll continue with the differential equation of homogeneous form. Some more questions. See the question number 9. That is y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy equals to 0. Okay, so let's find out what is dy by dx. This implies y dx, or if I take this one to that side, then dy comma x log y by x minus 2x dy equals to minus y dx. Okay, so what is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be, this will go that side, minus y by, I think you can take x common here, log y by x minus 2. Okay, let me check it again. The question, 2x dy x log y by x. Okay, then your fxy equals to minus y by x log y by x minus 2. So f of lambda x lambda y minus lambda y by lambda x log y by x lambda y lambda x minus 2. Lambda cancel. So what did you get? You are getting f of lambda x lambda y. Once the lambda is cancelled, equal that lambda to the power 0 minus y by x. This is your fxy. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, that means you are writing dy by dx is minus y by x log y by x minus 2. Okay, so dy by dx, then what you have to do? Put y is equal to dx. Y equals to dx, dy by dx equals to b into 1 plus x dv by dx. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2, you are finding b plus x dv by dx. Directly you try to write y equals to dx by x log dx by x minus 2. X cancel. So this is also cancelled. So what do you get? Minus x dv by dx equals to minus d by log v minus 2 minus d. That is on that side. Implies x dv by dx equals to minus v, this will be multiplied, minus v log v plus 2v by log v minus 2. So implies x dv by dx, 2v minus v is v minus v log v by log v minus 2. Okay, then this will go up, log v minus 2 by v common 1 minus log v equals to dx by x. Okay. Now your problem is how are you going to integrate this? So what you can do is, if I take 1 minus log v equals to t, I think we can get it. So you can write I equals to, or I1 equals to log x plus log x, right, constant depending upon the situation. Okay, so how to integrate I1 log v minus 2 by v into 1 minus log v dv. So if I take t equals to 1 minus log v, dt by dv is 0 minus 1 by v, implies dt into v equals to minus here dv. So dv I can write, from here you can find log v equals to t, this will go that side, 1 minus t. Okay, so look at here, this is 1 minus t minus 2 by v into t into minus dt into v. V is cancelled. So integration is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus t by t into minus dt. So minus will be cancelled. So minus is cancelled means it is 1 by t minus plus 1 dt. So implies log t plus t. This is I1. So I1 equals to log of t. T is what? 1 minus log v plus 1 minus log v. So many complications. So doesn't matter. Solution is coming. So log 1 minus log y by x plus 1 minus log y by x. Nothing can be done. So I1 equals to x log x plus c. So you can write log of 1 minus log y by x plus 1 minus log y by x equals to log x plus c. You can leave it like this. Okay, so we have done enough questions. You can try. So I'll take a new pattern of question here. for each of the differential equation, I think I should take question number 10. That is also important for us. Question number 10. 1 plus e to the power x by y. This is a new pattern of question. Bx plus e to the power x by y 1 minus x by y dy equals to 0. So this is something different. Different in the sense you write 1 plus e to the power x by y dx is minus e to the power x by y 1 minus x by y dy. When you find a term in x by y form, it is understood it is homogeneous equation. So you will not find dy by dx, you will find dx by dy. So dx by dy. So that will be minus e to the power x by y 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e to the power x by y. This is your equation number 1. If you want to prove it is homogeneous, what you have to do? F of lambda x. This is your fxy. 1 plus e to the power x by y. So f of lambda x, lambda y. What lambda x, lambda y? E to the power minus lambda x by lambda y 1 minus lambda x by lambda y 1 plus e to the power lambda x by lambda y. So everywhere lambda cancelled. So what do you get? E to the power minus x by y 1 minus x by y 1 plus e to the power x by y. So you are getting, therefore f of lambda x lambda y is fxy. So fxy means lambda to the power 0, because lambda, no lambda is existing, so lambda to the power 0 you can write. So homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now how to solve this? When it was dy by dx, you are putting y is equal to vx. When it is x by y form, notice it very carefully, x by y, x by y, x by y. When it is x by y form, you have to put v is equal to, sorry, x is equal to vy. Put, I should take from here. Put x is equal to dy, not y is equal to vx. So find dx by dy. Dx by dy is v into 1 plus y dv by dy. Y dv by not dx, because with respect to y you are doing. Equation number 2. So comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2, you will find what? dx by dy 1, v plus y dv by dy equals to e to the power x by y 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e to the power x by y. Comparison. Okay. So x is equal to vy. Put x is equal to vy. Put x is equal to vy. So So v plus y dv by dy e to the power vy by y 1 minus vy by y divided by 1 plus vy by y implies v cross y dv by dy minus e to the power v 1 minus v by 1 plus e to the power v. So that v will go that side. So y dv by dy equals to minus e to the power v plus v to the power v by 1 plus e to the power v minus v. What is that minus v? That v has gone that side. So you are getting y dv by dy equals to 1 plus e to the power v minus v to the power v. This gets cancelled. Okay. So now look. Separation. This will come this side. 1 plus e to the power v by minus common e to the power v plus v equals to dy by y. So look here, this is dv. इसका डेरिवेटिव e to the power v का डेरिवेटिव is e to the power v का डेरिवेटिव 1. So that is your f dash x by fx log fx. Got it? So log of denominator. The log of denominator means minus is remaining here. Log of e to the power v plus v equals to log y, or what I can do is I can add here log c. It will be simple for us. Equals to log y. Got it? Log y. Now log a minus log b. Constant I am adding here. It will be easy to simplify. So log c by e to the power v plus v equals to log y. Log down. So log is done means y equals to how much? Y equals to c by e to the power v plus v. Now we came to conclusion. Now x is equal to vy, v is equal to x by y. So y equals to c e to the power x by y plus x by y. Very well, like this is your solution. Okay. So now let me take a particular solution. If I go to question number 13, look at here. Particular solution means you have to find the value of c and put there. So question number 13, x sin square y by x minus y whole into dx plus x dy equals to 0. Y equals to pi by 4, x is equal to 1. Okay. So first you have to solve it, then you will find out, look at the pattern. When it is y by x form, what you have to write? Dy by dx. So x sin square y by x minus y dx equals to minus x dy. So dy by dx, this will go down, so this will come here, x sin square y by x minus y by x. So question number 1, it's a proving homogeneous. Every time I told you, put lambda x lambda y, it will come. First part every time, no need to repeat. So let me solve it. So put y equals to dx. So dy by dx equals to d into 1 product rule x dv by dx. So what shall I get here? D comparing 1 and 2, this is 2. Comparing 1 and 2. So I'll get d plus x dv by dx. d plus x dv by dx equals to x sin square y by x minus y divided by x. Okay, put y is equal to dx. Put y equals to dx. So d plus x dv by dx, x sin square dx by x minus dx, x gone divided by x. Now x is common, so x is common means d plus x dv by dx. If I take x common, sin square d minus 1 by x, x gone. Okay, now that v will go that side, so x dv by dx equals to sin square v minus 1 minus v. This has to come down. So how to integrate? So this will come down, dv by sin square v minus 1 minus v. Okay, equals to dx by x. So the question is how to integrate this. Okay, if I write one more line, minus of 1 minus sin square v minus v. Let us check the question again, whether it is correct or not. X sin square y by x, x dy. Okay, let's see then what can be done. dv equals to log x. Minus cos square v minus v. Let me check it. X sin square y by x minus y dx. So dy by dx sin square y by x minus y by x. Okay, I got it. Then it is sin square v. This is sin square v minus y is equal to vx. V. Sin square v minus v, then minus v. Yeah, that is a mistake. Mistake we have to rectify. Sorry. Let me do it again. Little mistake we have done. Actually, our start from here. Dy by dx is actually there is a minus sign which we have forgotten. That minus is coming here. X sin square y by x minus y divided by minus x, which I had forgotten. Because of that the problem came up. Okay, so 1. Then y equals to vx. Dy by dx equals to v into 1 plus x dv by dx 2. So that will give you v plus x dv by dx x sin square vx by x minus vx divided by minus x. This minus I had forgotten. So v plus x dv by dx equals to, if I cancel x here, x common sin square v minus v divided by minus v. Then minus 1. So we are getting x dv by dx equals to, this x is gone, because this x will get cancelled. But you can write x into x is gone. So sin square v minus v divided by minus 1 minus v. This minus was creating a problem for me. So I can write minus, if I multiply, minus sin square v plus v, because if I divide with minus 1 then minus v. Done. So x dv by dx. So now the problem is sorted out. Okay. So what did you get? dv by minus sin square v equals to dx by x. So minus cosec square v equals to log x plus any constant c. What is v now? The integration. Cosec square v का integration is cot. But here it is minus of cot v. Cot v equals to log x plus c. So v is what? Y by x. V equals to y by x. So cot y by x log x plus c. This is your general solution. But you have to find what? Particular solution. Particular solution you are given y equals to pi by 4, x equals to 1. This is what you have to put here. Okay. Then what you will get? Implies cot pi by 4 by 1 log 1 plus c. since log 1 equals to 0, cot pi by 4 is 1, therefore c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 means I'll put here, so implies cot y by x equals to log x plus 1. Okay, so like this, few more questions you can try. Similar questions, not so difficult because based on your integration. So next article is not in your syllabus. Which one I am telling you? Linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py equals to q. This is deleted from our syllabus. So now if this is not in the syllabus means this chapter is over. So this chapter is over. So let me check if any question required for us or not, because these are all has to be deleted. Then the question comes from miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous, you try few questions. If you cannot do, I think I have given you my WhatsApp number. You can put me questions, I will give you the answers on that. So tomorrow we will start a new chapter, that is vector analysis, vector algebra. Okay.